Hi Virgo, this is your girl, the Pixie Goddess, at the Pixie Goddess Tarot. This reading is going to be for Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs in love. This is a love centric reading, guys, not a gender specific reading or a time specific reading. Energies are fluid, so take what resonates with you and leave what doesn't. Virgo, if you're interested in law of attraction, do check out my channel called The Pixie Goddess Mind Magic. I'll attach its link below in the description box, so do have a look at it. Thank you. Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Oopsie. The Ten of Cups, the Two of Wands, the Five of Cups, the Knight of Swords, okay, the Five of Swords, Virgo, you have a beautiful beginning, but that beginning came after some really painful endings, right? Some really horrible heartbreaks that you went through, and you had to endure some deceptive energies, some secrets, some ruthless partners. But now look at you, look at the King of Pentacles. These are your energies, Virgo. Beautiful earth sign energies. You finally made yourself a way, um, you made yourself somebody who knows a way out of their problems. They know how to go beyond what is hurting them, pick and choose what is it that they need to learn, and then use it all to become a better version of yourself. And that's what you've done over here. Even though you find yourself looking back at the past and thinking about this ruthless person who just wanted to think about themselves, and they just kept you as a secondary option, I feel that you're growing, Virgo. But the universe also wants you to focus on the things that are being offered to you. Like, don't be so caught up in the past lessons, past events, that you forget to look up and see what are the bounties that the universe has to offer you now. This person gave you some false promises as well. But you know what, Virgo? There is somebody else who wants to give you the exact same beautiful promise, and this person means it. But now this could be a friend or a colleague or somebody who you haven't um, considered as a partner. But this person wants to offer you something and they're just waiting for their chance, Virgo. So the past person has gone, hurting you, taking away more than they gave you, and this new person wants to give you more than they want. So, they want to give you everything and keep very little for themselves. Yeah, see, this could be another earth sign individual that you're attracting. With the Lovers card over here, you could be attracting a Gemini person as well. But whatever it is, this new energy that is coming in your life, this new beginning that is being offered to you, it's going to set you free, financially free, emotionally free. You're just going to feel so secure and surrounded by abundance. Wow. They want to give you everything. And Virgo, when you realize how beautiful this new person is, I think you're just gonna go in for it. Like, yeah, forget everything else. I want this love. I want you. Let's get into this. And they see you as this nurturing, beautiful soul who needs to be loved, who deserves to be loved, who deserves all the goodness in the world. Unlike the past person, Virgo. A lot of communication coming your way. Okay, so this past person may be communicating with you in the near future, and that is going to push you into some kind of anxiety and sleepless nights. And they might just say something that will make you feel stuck in your situation. Or they might just say something that will push you to look at everything from a really fresh perspective and help you reach a positive conclusion. I don't understand why past people try to communicate every now and then. Just, get it over with, no, once and for all. There could be a possibility that you were married to this past person and now they want to, come back and talk to you about something. I think marriage is involved here. For some of you, of course. The Seven of Pentacles, the Strength card. You could be attracting a Leo person, a Leo sign. The High Priestess, the Tower card. Whatever you went through, the pain and the suffering, took a really long while to sort itself out. It took a really long while for you to get out of these situations and into a space of empowerment, into a space of fulfillment. That is what I'm seeing here, Virgo. Some of you could be getting into further education or becoming a teacher, healer, psychic, a tarot reader, a Reiki healer, something to do with the metaphysical world. In order to deal with something that ended and collapsed your entire world, you had to become this really strong-willed person, Virgo. And you know what? That's worked out for your own advantage. To your own advantage. Yeah. The person who wants to come to you looks up to you, loves you for what you are. There could be some age gap also between the two of you. You could be older to them. But they see you as somebody who can completely and absolutely love them for who they are, and they love you for who you are. Yes, something has to end. Something needs to be ended completely in order to make space for something new to enter your life. Cutting cords with this past person is going to clear out a lot of negative energy and make space for something good. Yeah. The fox, you know what? I wanted to tell you that the person who's coming back and telling you that, oh, no, you know what, let's give it another chance, or I've changed, or let's just become friends and all, they are not what they appear to be. Number 9 and 14 could be important. 5 could be important. This person is wearing a mask. This person is still that sly, conniving person that they were when you left them. So if you want to give it another chance, do consider this as well. You might just be faced with exactly what you wanted to avoid. Take action. These are extra cards, so they could be directly related to the tarot or not. It all depends on how these messages make sense to you. Teamwork. Wow. Work with others, guys. If you're a part of a team, probably you're going to find some support to deal with difficult situations. It could be related to a project that you're working on, some work issues that are taking place. If you confide in your teammates, probably you'll be able to resolve it all. Closeness. Number 5 could be important. Guys, your angels, your unicorns are very close to you. passed over loved ones are very close to you. Make a wish, pray to them, and you'll see that you're not alone, Virgo. But just have faith. Change your perspective. With the Hanged Man, I mentioned that something is going to happen, some communication is going to take place that is going to help you change your perspective towards your situation, towards the person that you're dealing with, and towards yourself as well. The things that you're going through, the pain that you're going through, holding on to it won't matter, but learning from it will. The initiation, rite of passage, crossing the threshold. Guys, you've hit rock bottom. For some of you, it was horrible. This ending that you went through, it was so bad that you just felt that you can't get up from this. You just can't grow from this now because you've just hit rock bottom. But now you know that you can't go any further. So the only direction you can go in is upwards. So start growing again. It's going to be a fresh start. Second chances, and starting afresh every now and then doesn't mean that you have to start from scratch. You start from all your experiences. Nothing is yet set in stone. A time for healing. Confidence is your key to success. Step out of your comfort zone, guys. A Leo person could be important. Wow. Win-win outcome is forecast. A Libra person could be important. And it's time to take action. You also got another take action card. If you've been wondering whether or not to go in for a new hobby or anything new that you want to start or something, a new relationship as well, you need to take action, guys. You need to move forward with it. Let's see an affirmation card for Virgo. I am patient, knowing that whatever is of the highest good is coming to me. Exactly. Have faith that only. So your soul chose this journey, right, Virgo? They know exactly what they want. So just have faith in that. Keep moving, keep shining, keep smiling, guys. This was all for you, Virgo. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for giving me a chance to serve you. If you like this reading, do leave a like, subscribe if you already haven't. And if you think another person should be hearing this reading, do share it with them. Thank you. Bye.